Ever wondered how much you truly know about the electronic devices that surround you? These marvels of technology are everywhere, embedded in our day-to-day routines. They wake us up, keep us connected, entertain us, and even help us cook our meals. Yet there's so much more to them than meets the eye. In this video, we're about to delve into some intriguing facts about these devices that most people are unaware of. Prepare to have your mind blown by these eye-opening facts about electronic devices. Did you know that the first electronic device ever created was the telegraph in the 1830s? Indeed, our journey with electronic devices has been long and fascinating. Let's dive into some more intriguing facts. A modern computer chip, for instance, has more than 1 billion transistors. Yes, you heard it right, 1 billion. These tiny components switch electricity on or off to represent zeros and ones, the fundamental language of computers. Moving on, have you ever wondered about the energy consumed by your devices when they are on standby? Well, standby devices in an average household consume anywhere from 5 to 10% of the total electricity. Quite a shocker, isn't it? Now let's travel back to the 1970s. This was the era when the first mobile phone was introduced. It was not as sleek and handy as the ones we have today. It was a brick-like device weighing 2 pounds, and it took almost 10 hours to charge, only to provide a half-hour talk time. And one last golden nugget for you. Did you know that there's more gold in a ton of smartphones than in a ton of gold ore? That's right, a ton of smartphones can yield around 300 grams of gold. Amazing, isn't it? Who knew electronic devices held such fascinating secrets? So there you have it. From the staggering number of transistors in a single chip to the incredible speed of electrons, our everyday electronic devices are truly marvels of modern technology. Next time you use your phone or laptop, remember these astounding facts. You're interacting with a world of wonder right at your fingertips.